Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to set up a full stack application using EJS, embedded JavaScript, Node.js, and Bootstrap. So those are the three technologies we'll be using today. So it's basically from scratch. So first I need to do is go to my terminal, put on my terminal. So I believe you can all see my terminal. So from here, let me just go into Bash. I don't want to use fish. So all right, so I'm in Bash. So let me change my directory to desktop. I mean, if this command I'm running, if you don't understand them, you can check out my video on Linux command. So change my directory to desktop, and then okay, let me make a new directory called tut. Let me just say full stack, and let me change my directory to full stack. Okay, so I don't have any here, so I have zero content here. So what I need to do is I need to initialize this project using npm init and sorry, init. Right, so all right, oh, and the entry point is index.js. Test command did repository, don't need it, keyword, don't need it, author, maybe Joshua. You can add your name, license, MIT. Yes, good. So I have package.json here, right? So another thing I need to do is I need to install EJS, embedded JavaScript. So I'll use npm install EJS. All right. So you have EJS. The next thing I need to do is let me just go into my VS Code and open up. So VS Code should open very soon. All right. So this is VS Code. Yeah, I trust it. Just close, okay. So this is my package.json. Basically, package.json is the a file where all your dependency that you installed will be. So here I have the EGS module version 3, and this package.json lock is another thing entirely. We don't need this guys. So what I need to do now is I need to create um our entry file. So I'll give it a name called index.js. Here in index.js, I need to bring in, I forgot to install React Express rather. So I'll be using Express as well. So npm install Express. All right, so we have it here. So I can go back to my disk. So I need to bring in Express cons Express is equals to required Express, and cons app is equals to Express internet Express. Then app.listen, let me just listen out 3,000. Say console log for 3,000. For 3,000. So let me just say app dot get, say press the send. Boom. To start with, right? So here I will say node dash dash watch index.js. So listing on port 3000, say localhost of 3000. You see, I have home here, so it means we are connected to the database. So our EJS is connected to, sorry, our Express is connected to the database. So I was putting something on the browser. So the next step is to add EJS to it. So here in my file, I need to create a folder called view. I'm going to folder called public because that is where we'll be serving all our public file. Why the views is where our home, our EJS files will be. So in the view, let me just quickly create a file called home to start with. Home.ejs. In EJS, I need to add this. So there's a function called constPath. I'll be using path here, require path. And just remember that EJS is a templating engine. So let me just use EJS here. And say view engine. The view engine here is EJS. Good. So now let me go into this guy. Here in home, I just need to add the simple HTML template. So let me just name that as come home and h1 my index.js. So yeah, instead of sending, I need to render the home and home, and I don't need to add this guy here, this the directory views and home because I already have included the views here, so it just look good by itself. Okay, so let me save now on my page. Oops, that was a typo from my end. So it should be view, not view. Good. Right. So we have the next thing I need to do is I need to go to a site called Get Bootstrap, and I go to docs, download, download. So let me open. Let me extract it. I've extracted it. This is the CSS and this is the JavaScript. So now I created a folder here called public. So I also create another folder for CSS as well, and also for JavaScript. So that is where I will import my JavaScript. I open the Bootstrap. All I need is Bootstrap main.css. So Bootstrap main.css is what I need. I just move into, yep. So it's in the CSS already. Good. I also go to JavaScript and get Bootstrap main.js. Yeah, this is main.js. To move Bootstrap main.js into JS. Okay, so we are good. All right, so that is that on that. Let me go back to home. Let me go back to this. So let's say I want to include a simple navigation, Bootstrap navigation. So that's nav. So this is a simple navigation. Okay, navbar. So I want to include a short navbar. I think I don't really need a complex navbar, just a simple navbar. Okay, I think this is better. So let me just copy this code here. Ctrl C. Let me go back to my. So instead of rendering this head one, let me just render the. Let me paste the code I just copied. Ctrl V. So if I save now, I also need to get jQuery. So jQuery, jQuery download. So download jQuery. I need to download the compressed production is fine. This guy compressed production is fine. Yep, so this is it. So I think I need to manually save it here. So let me just save as jQuery.js. Where should I save it in? I think I can save it in. I think document is fine. Take the jQuery.js into this jQuery as well. Also the script, and also the script for jQuery as well. Right. So now that we've imported our Bootstrap CSS, and also we've imported our Bootstrap JS and jQuery. So let's save. I refreshed and it didn't work. Okay, so guys, remember I created this public file the other time, and logically this JS and the CSM, the Bootstrap main JS, the Bootstrap CSS and the Bootstrap JS and the Bootstrap jQuery. The jQuery JS is not saved already. It's not saved yet in my entry file in the JS, so I need to bring it in. About the entry file, we have Express. Here is just to initialize Express. Here is the part, and to need to use my public folder that I created here, where my JS and their main booster, whatever they're in, I need to use them using Express or static. So because the public files are always static files, so I need to bring them in. And also the template engine I'm using is EJS, and I need to join the view where my home.ejs is. So this is just the route for the home. So here I'm rendering the home, which is this guy, and I'm listing on port 3000. So let me also show you guys what is in the home. So home is basically there's nothing new here. It's just the HTML template. What is new here is this link here for bootstrapping the CSS, and also the script for jQuery. And the jQuery needs to come first before Bootstrap, so it could work, so it can work. And basically this is just what I copied from Get Bootstrap the other time. So if I save here as well, up again, if I reload, should get it back. Good. So we are here. So here is Bootstrap. So with this is a basic setup. With this, you should be able to build on this and create a beautiful. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. In the next video, we'll be building on this. Thank you.